Hi Quillers, this is Agnes from agnespaperandcrafts. Today you can see me making this 3D lemons. Welcome back to my channel agnespaperandcrafts. Do check all of my other videos and videos of interest like vortex coils, fillers in quilling and tips and tricks on on-edge quilling. There are even more videos like tutorial on quilling birds, how to mail quill greeting cards, and much more. Do subscribe and click the notification bell for watching all my future videos. I decided to work on this color palette from Quill with Agnes challenge. These colors are so pretty to suit with lemons. You could have come across my social accounts, Agnes Paper and Crafts, where I post a color palette challenge every week. All you have to do to participate is to make any quilling project of your decision with the colors given and then tag me to your post. This challenge is to help you on choosing colors for your projects. Since most of us struggle with deciding colors and things like color wheel, color combination keeps most of us scared, this challenge is an attempt to make you to learn to choose colors by yourself. I'm using 5 mm wide lemon yellow paper strips, and these strips have self-adhesive ends. I use 5 strips to make a tight coil. Here I have used quilling coats, which I usually never use. I first started with 4 strips and later added the 5th strip to finish the tight coil. I simply roll my quilling tool over both the sides of the coil to make them perfectly flat so that the dome will be neat. Now I press down the tight coil from a smaller size dome of the mold to going up in its size. This helps to get a gradual growing dome shape which is needed especially for a quill piece like a lemon. With your pinky finger, give a little more push to the center so that the lemon looks more realistic. Apply glue to the inside of the dome and spread them using a toothpick or a brush so that the dome becomes firm when they are completely dry. Now I am doing the same for the other half of the lemon. When the glue is completely dry, apply glue to the brim of the dome and stick them together. Stick a short strip of paper to the center to make them even more strong. And now the lemon is done. For the lemon slice, cut short strips of white paper. You can cut them into uniform short lengths. Roll them to loose coils. I do them in batches so they are faster and less time consuming than doing them individually. Choose one of the smaller circles in the circle scale to get a uniform size of loose coil. Now you can make them into teardrop shapes. Even now I'm doing them in batches and then glue them all up together. Now I glue the teardrops. Once done, I'm going to wrap layers of pale yellow strip to the teardrop shapes. I wrap pale yellow strips to all the teardrop shapes and then stick the teardrops together to form a circle. You can arrange them in one of the circles of the circle scale and keep them building. When the teardrops form a circle, wrap lemon yellow paper strip around them. You can press the teardrops flat so they blend well as a circle. When they are done, we can now wrap the lemon yellow color strip to make the lemon slice. Glue the end and the lemon slice is ready. Now the lemon and the lemon slice are ready and now ready for the photo shoot with the other colors of the color palette. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial and hope that you will try these for some of your projects. Thanks for watching.